This is Kakuri Tailor's shears. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing and I'm gonna test to cut the fabrics and I'm going to tell you how it feels. Let's get started. The shears is pretty heavy. You can hear the sound. I just get it close to the mic. The model is number 500 and I feel like this one in my hand is the right size. You can check here. And I just do a measurement to see how long is it to make sure that you will fit your hand. This is 2 inch and 3/4 inches right here. It feels pretty comfortable, but before you first time use, you're gonna use the kind of wipes to clean up those oils, still oils inside. So this is just a regular cloth. I feel like you can control it really easy. For example, if I just draw a line, and let me see if it can handle this. All right, it stopped where I want to stop. So it feels good. I feel like this one is easy to control. It won't jump. It won't just suddenly just cut. It just kind of go little by little. And this is kind of like a pretty soft material. And let me do a cut for this one. This is 100% cotton. And let me see. Easily. Perfect. And let me make another cut. This one is it's not cotton. It's super thin, super sturdy stuff. Like, let me see this one. It should be a synthetic material. Usually it's hardest to cut. Perfect. You don't need to struggle with the fabric. You just go in there, grab the fabric and cut easily. I'm very happy with this product. I think I made a good decision. And by the way, here it got screws. You can adjust the tension according to your prefer. Or if it's getting loose, you just tighten it easily. All right. I like this product. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.